So I'm Christopher Woods. I'm helping to build the Isambard AI supercomputer. So this is a ridiculously fast project. This will be a ridiculously fast talk. So it basically started when the government realised that it was not funding AI last year and we should rapidly fund AI. So they started the project where we signed it in November and we've built the computer for delivery basically this year. It's already actually in a car park working. This is the car park, or at least it was the car park. We've dug this car park up and we're basically placing containerized data centers down here, which will hold the UK's largest AI supercomputer. Operational, small part now, but the large bit, the main bit, will be actually running in the summer. They're going into these containers, basically like shipping containers lowered in. What you see there on the bottom left, that's actually what Isambard AI Phase 1 looks like. It is a small little cabinet sat at the back, like a wardrobe, 200 kilowatts. It's one of the fastest computers in the country. And that's just the baby. The big one's going to be much larger. But what is it for? It has been funded specifically by the Department of Science, Innovation and Technology to do AI and also to do AI safety. There's the AI Safety Institute, which is the government's AI safety group in Whitehall. I was visiting them on Tuesday, who's going into the ethics of AI in depth. They have a budget of something like 50 to 100 million pounds a year. They'll be handing out grants. I encourage everyone who's talked about ethics today, please look up the AI Safety Task Force, the AI Safety Institute, because they are the people who are answering the questions that you've been raising in the talks at the moment. It's for that AI safety, it's for large-scale inference, training large language models, hybrid AI simulation workflows, blah, 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 but it's to work at any scale. It's to get the research community to go from their laptops quickly up to 1 GPU, 10 GPUs, 1,000 GPUs, 5,000 GPUs, quickly. Why are they doing this? Why are they giving us the equivalent of £1 million a week to get this running? It's a £300 million project. It is because artificial intelligence is moving from a computer science to computational science. If there is a pattern in your data, whatever the data is, the computer will find it and then you can make predictions from it. The software is now accessible. It's quite easy to use. You can actually learn how to use AI tools in about 2 weeks. I encourage people to do so. And as the size of your data and the size of your model increases, so does the capability of your AI. To the point you have this thing called emergent AI. This is a really nice picture of it. When you started off, this is from Google, when they had an 8 billion parameter model, all it could do was language understanding and arithmetic and question answering. But as more data went in, as more parameters were actually built up, hopefully it'll play. Oh, the movie doesn't play. That's a shame.
Let's play it, yeah.
You want to see the movie?
Yes.
As you see the movie, as you put the parameters in, it can do summarization, translation, question answering, arithmetic, joke explanation, pattern recognition, logical inference. And this is the thing, you get this explosion of capability just by adding data without changing the code. It is amazing. This is why people are rushing to increase the size of their models. What you see on the left is a plot of the size of models versus time. It's basically 2018 to 2020 in the bottom two parts. That is an exponential plot. It's a log-log plot. The size of models have gone from millions to billions to trillions of parameters. Loads of them are appearing pretty much every week or two now. You have a new large language model, a new image model, a new video model. It's just huge with amazing capabilities. And this is going to keep happening. The pace of change in this field is monthly. We cannot wait 2 years, 3 years, 4 years before we embrace this change. We have to do this now. How do you get ready to go into this world of AI, which is going to transform all aspects of society, research, and innovation? Basically, look for the communities who are already working in this area. You will find people from Hugging Face. You'll find people, just Google out who is using AI in my field. Things like this. Then think about what data you have, what patterns could exist in your data, what questions you would like to ask of your data. The language of AI, some people do use R, but actually it's kind of coalesced with the network effect into Python. Most AI is now done in a tool called PyTorch. And that's what all of the large language models are. It's a very easy tool to use. I do encourage you to learn it. We have some links here which basically show you how to learn Python from the beginning, how to learn neural networks and PyTorch from the beginning. You can do this on your laptop or even in free cloud resources from the links which are there. So it's actually very easy to do. It will let you scale up your laptop. If that's a very good laptop there, it can basically just run 466 million AI operations per second and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Isambard AI is 5,000 of those GPUs, but actually far bigger and better ones. 384 gigabytes of memory per node. It can run 10.4 million trillion AI operations per second. It will be one of the fastest computers on the planet. And in the UK, we're very lucky to actually be able to have this so quickly. Thank you.